Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify, your go-to channel for financial tips and tricks. In this video, I'll show you how to start copy trading on eToro using your mobile device. Let's dive right in. First, launch the eToro app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, tap on the Discover tab at the bottom of the menu. Scroll down to the Copy Trader section or search for traders using the search bar. Browse the list of traders based on their performance, risk score, and portfolio diversity. Tap on a trader's profile to see more details like their trading history, average profits, and assets traded. Once you decided on a trader, tap the copy button on their profile. Enter the amount you want to invest in copying their trades. eToro typically requires a minimum amount, for example, $200 to start copying. Toggle Copy Open Trades on if you want to replicate their current open positions. Tap Invest to confirm. Go to the Portfolio tab in the bottom menu. Here, you can track the trader's performance and see how your investment is growing. If you want to stop copying, tap the trader's name and select Stop Copying. And that's it. You have successfully set up copy trading on eToro using your mobile. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Financify, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.